Okay, so this is just a quick video on a little teaching resource for the dynamic mechanisms DCG topic. So dynamic mechanisms is one of our applied graphics topics, and one of the main difficulties for students in this topic is visualization. So obviously it's about the mechanisms. There's a lot of visualization of moving points and parts. So a lot of students struggle with that. So this is just a simple little resource that can be used by a teacher in a classroom or by a student themselves at home to help students visualize the topic better. So this is part B of the 2019 applied graphics question in section C. So it's about a penny farthing bicycle with a reflector on the wheel. So our circle here represents the wheel, and this resource uses some tracing paper. So we can start off our question and then use tracing paper to trace the wheel and the reflector onto the tracing paper. So using the tracing paper allows the students to manipulate the question and move the wheel. So this is where we start off with, and as you can see, the students can easily manipulate the question and move the wheel so that they can follow the path of point R. So students often would struggle with visualizing this. So a simple little resource like this allows students to actually move the wheel themselves and clearly see the path that the point takes. So as you see, our red point R is just following the red line path here. And you can do this the whole way up until the end, until you get to point 0 or point 12, depending on how you label the question. But I think that this is just a very simple resource that students can use themselves at home, or that can be used in a classroom.